Okay, thank you and good afternoon, dear audience. In this short Newsflash, I will present some results from this report that you already mentioned. It was published this spring for BridgeTech and Ubiquitous Computing Cluster. And there was a team from our organization preparing this research and report. And like you said, in short, the aim of the report was to find out the development and trends of ubiquitous technology for the year 2020. And the research was mainly carried out by using different kind of literature, like articles, research report, and technology roadmaps. And actually, it's been very nice hearing these previous presentations and to hear that what's really going on in real life world and some concrete cases, what's going on in the world of ubiquitous. This roadmap.
Anteeksi, voisitko siirtää sitä mikkiä vähän, se ei ole suunnilleen. Se puhallat siihen.
Yeah, better now?
Ei, nyt se ei kuulu.
How about now? Great. Okay, let's try. So the report consists of 4 roadmaps. The first one is the roadmap of trends. The second one is roadmap of specific ubiquitous applications. These consist of housing, for example, housing, education and learning, transportation, culture and free times, games, healthcare, well-being. And then we had also manufacturing of products. And what else? Education and learning was mentioned already there. And the third roadmap was roadmaps of key ubiquitous technologies. And the fourth one was roadmap of its enabling technologies. And in the roadmap of trends, our time frame was 10 years. But in these 3 last roadmaps, we had this short term. We were dividing this future to short term, 2011 and 2015, and medium term, and looking what's going to happen in those periods for these technologies. I decided that in this short presentation I will concentrate only one roadmap. It's the first one, the roadmap of trends. And also I will raise some important points to think about the development and future of Ubi technology. In futures research and doing foresight processes, environmental scanning is often the starting point to strategy work and scenario building. In this research and report, we did not proceed scenarios, but we were tracking megatrends, trends and weak signals of ubiquitous technology. Quite often, this environmental scanning includes also finding wildcards, also known as black swans. But here we didn't handle these. But I just wanted to put here a good example of what we mean in black swans. This Icelandic ash cloud was one good example. And I guess that some of you in the audience have been struggling with this ash cloud when you have been trying to organize your travels. Wildcards are appearing suddenly, like out of nowhere, and they are very difficult to predict, but in futures where we think that those are also important to bring out. So Next, I will move to present these trends which are meaningful in the development of this Ubitech. First, to megatrends. In megatrends, we understand that they are global, general, and macro level trends of development. They are rather static and difficult to change their direction. They are so-called slow drivers. And here is a list of some of those megatrends that are meaningful in ubiquitous development. And I would like to raise this globalization for a closer look and what consequences it will have. It's in a way positive, at the same time quite positive phenomenon. It's creating international networking in many sense. It will cause centralization of research and development, production and markets. One example that has been quite often used is this China phenomena. For example, investments and production of goods will move to Asian countries, and the industrialization is growing there fast. And in Western countries are going towards more service societies. Also, the role of Asia is growing in world economy, and this region will become also a more powerful player in the world, in many sense. Then there are these other megatrends. They will have a lot of serious consequences to the life on Earth, but I am not going to tackle them closer here now. In this previous presentation, we already heard something that has been done, for example, how could we reduce the climate change, for example. So I will jump to the specific trends next. These trends seems maybe more meaningful to the development of Ubitech than the megatrends. These are more swift drivers and may turn direction of development fastly. And we have categorized these specific trends in ubiquitous technology in 3 categories. There are trends in society and surroundings, technological trends, and consumer trends. And there are these, well, I don't know, I will jump the first one because I'm getting back in some of these things later on. But from the technological trends, I think that the one trend in itself is this ubiquitous technology trend. And what's going to happen? I think that we have here heard that many of us believe that at the moment we are in such situation that quite sure there will be this kind of technological leap, and it's in the leap in use and implementation of ubiquitous technology. And that was the one thing that we think that we are really in that situation at this time. Then earlier on there was this consumer trends already mentioned, and we feel that there is quite a strong consumer driven approach going on. And it will probably affect for the development of this ubiquitous technology goods as well.